Hello and welcome to my channel. Okay, please subscribe and hit the bell to get more of my videos. Now let's do the math. Okay, before you can know mathematics, you must firstly know how to count, and counting is the simplest of them all. Counting is like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And now we have an addition, which means you have to sum, a subtraction, which means you have to minus, and a multiplication, which means you have to times. For example, 1 times 6 means that what is 4 when summated 6 times. And we have a division, which means you simply divide. For example, 1 divided by 6 means how many times does 6 goes into 1. And 4 divided by 2, how many times does 2 goes into 4. Now let's do the math. Solve for x and its origin. In lower standards, you were given an empty box and either a plus, multiplication, division, and subtraction. And we were given another number, an equal sign equal to any other number. And we have to figure out a number that must be inside an empty box. Okay? So now let's get going. In higher standards, an empty box is replaced by an x or any letter of choice. For example, x minus 5 equal to 10 to name that sum, and we have to find x. More solve for x examples. The first one, x plus 9 equal to 12. This one, as I have explained, is the simplest of them all. X plus 9 equal to 12. You add minus 9 into both sides and you will get the answer. For the second one, 2 to the power x equal to 1 over 8. Here, when the bases are the same, you keep the bases and you equate the exponents. And we have x squared plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0, whereby you have to factorize and then you'll get an answer. If you don't know how to factorize, please wait, I will upload another video on how you can factorize that kind of an equation. Now, simultaneous equation, one of the simplest solving equations I have ever met in my high school classes. Like, simultaneous is so simple. In simultaneous equation, you have to find two equations and you have to solve those two equations. The first equation will be x equal to something. The second equation will be y equal to something. Thereby, when you have found the two equations from the given equations, you equate the two equations so that you can find the value of x. Okay. Yeah, that's simultaneous equation. And simultaneous equation have many forms. It depends on who said the question paper. I don't know, it depends. But simultaneous equation is simple. As long as you know how to solve for x, you'll also know how to do the simultaneous equation, because it's the most simplest of them all. If you can solve any equation, you can do simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. You just do two equations and you equate them and you find x and y or any other two letters. Anyway, this is still the beginning. Just subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications every time I publish a video. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video. Bye. Oh guys, don't forget to comment so that I can fix. This is my first video. Thank you.